Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on Chatbot AI Nova. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Chatbot AI Nova and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage, then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.